Brand new product of Cousin. Mill, drill, and screw nuts into holes. 3 processes in 1. It's a high precision, better goods at lower prices. PRC control system. Milling, drilling, screw nuts into holes, and the distance between holes is adjustable. Above the control system is a vibration plate of automatic feeding. Let's view the whole working process. Milling, drilling, screw nuts into holes. Vibration plate of automatic feeding. Original location can be inducted precisely. Easy to operate. Distance education available. The work you wanted is done. The both money and the labor-saving lathe is welcomed, both domestic and abroad.